Hi everyone, this is a general message on the spiritual guidance about self love that you need to hear right now. If you were drawn to this reading, chances are in one way or the other, the messages apply to you. Use your intuition to you know understand in which area of your life it resonates with. So let's get started. The oracle card is escapist. Come home to yourself. And this is about, maybe you're daydreaming a little bit more than usual, or maybe you're avoiding something in your life that needs your attention. Whether it's work, whether it's love, whether it's career, it could be anything really, but it something needs your attention and you're not, you know you're avoiding it. And this says come home to yourself, and it could also mean that if something has been burdensome, if something has been worrying, and maybe you have dealt with it, but you haven't really given yourself the acknowledgement that you deserve for getting through that, getting through the hardship. I mean, we need to love ourselves and thank ourselves for all that we have overcome. So come home to yourself. If there's something you need to attend to, please do that. Um, and let's get to the tarot. So let's look at one by one. In case of love, if there was confusion, there was you were in a situation where there was options, someone was exploring options, or you did not know where you stood with the person, if there was a lack of clarity, if there was confusion, if there was you know anything really that could be meddling, or just muddied waters in that case, and it caused you a lot of heartbreak and sadness. So in that case, there chances are there's a new beginning, a fresh new beginning, divinely guided. It is passionate, and it could be that the same person, is now willing to put in the work and grow this connection into something solid, of a commitment. Or it could come from a king of pentacles, that is someone who is grounded, someone who is accomplished, and also someone who puts in the work. But it could also mean that they are putting in the work, they want to put in the work to overcome whatever happened before, and offer some sort of commitment, find stability within your connection. So that could be one way. Another way is you yourself, something ignites, maybe you finally get over it's a process, right? We all go through it. Breakups are hard, and some of us, we all need time. The time we need depends, and we cannot quantify it. It could be few months, few weeks, of sometimes even longer, right? But with this Ace of Wands, you're finally having that reignition. The divine is sending you that push, that finally something just lights a fire in you, and you're ready to, now whatever was clouded, whatever caused you heartbreak, it becomes clear. You can move forward. You put in work into yourself, self love, right? You put work into yourself. You, maybe whatever area in your life that needs attention, whether it's your health, whether it's your work, whether it's just taking a break, you're putting that in. You finally have the, you know how do I say, your soul is on fire, I guess, and you finally have that drive to love yourself, put in the work for yourself, and come to abundance. This will lead to abundance and stability, and it will lead to long-term happiness. I mean, self-love is one of the keys to having abundance. So that is for love. In case of work, Maybe if there was disappointment because there were lack of options, maybe if you lost a job or if you had a job or maybe your own business and there were lack of options, maybe you cannot move forward because whatever you needed to move forward was not available. And or maybe it could be that you were just blocked, you could not find a way to move forward, whether it's in a job, whether it's in your own personal business, whatever it is in terms of career. Maybe there were lack of options or there was clouded judgment, or it could be confusion. There could have been a lot of meddling factors and it caused a lot of heartbreak. But now you are having again that reignition, that fire is lit, the match is lit, this is divinely guided. Now you have whatever it takes to put in the work to build your abundance, to build your empire. So if something really caused you, a lot of heartbreak, do not escape it. Now is the time to take initiative, put in the work, and build your abundance. You can do it. You just need to be more present in the here and now and not in your fantasies and your dreams, which are great, but right now, your 3D reality needs your attention. That is it. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and a comment as well if you choose to. Subscribe so that you can get more messages like these, and share. It could be helpful to anyone else. Thank you so much.